Linus Torvalds just dropped a warning bomb, and it's not about AI taking your job, it's about AI drowning the internet in noise. Windows 7.1 RC4 came out, and Torvalds said the security mailing list is now almost unmanageable. Not because of hackers, not because of bugs, but because of driven by AI users spamming the same fake bug reports over and over. People running the same AI tools on the same code, sending the same garbage reports for bugs that were fixed weeks ago. And the maintainers, they're just wasting hours sorting through AI slop instead of fixing the real problem. He's not banning AI, at least not just yet. He's banning low effort thinking because when the noise gets louder, then the signal, the whole system becomes vulnerable. And there, and here's the part nobody's talking about out loud. This is the same problem hitting the whole internet. AI isn't the threat. People using it without understanding are. When digital world is fills with noise, the first solution they push is always the same. We need ID verification. We need gates. We need permission. But Torvalds' message is clear. Quality matters more than identity. Awareness matters more than control. Internet ID gate, there's a better way. Stay sovereign, stay safe, stay aware. Most of all, people got to be free, all ages. Like, follow, and subscribe. And we'll catch you again.